It was a pool kind of day, you guys. It really was. And it was a bear in a pool kind of day as well. As we get a look at LAX this evening, you will see the pylons lighting up rainbow still for Pride. Gotta love this shot. And LAX people really starting to get in and out of town. It's that time of year as we head into June and the summer. In fact, you're going to see it right here with temperatures record highs today looking like this. Idlewild got up to 89. The record to beat was 88. So snuck in there by a degree. Thermal 113. The Coachella Valley really hot. The record to beat was 111. Beat it by a couple degrees. Hemet 102 beat that record by 2 degrees, and that last record was set back in 1918. Ontario records are fairly new. We've been keeping track for about 30 years at the airport, so it's a little easier to break records in Ontario just because of that. But even then, the record to beat was 89 degrees. That was back in 2018. Today, we got up to a scorching 107. So we still have heat advisories in the mix and excessive heat warnings lasting through 9 p.m. tomorrow and 8 o'clock Wednesday, respectively. And you'll see temperatures currently in the 60s, 70s, 80s, even the 90s. 90 Ontario, 80 Corona, 73 Fullerton. And as we check out our futurecast right here, you will see by tomorrow morning we're going to start to see mild temperatures as we wake up. And quickly, those numbers start to warm into the 70s, 80s, even the 90s. You'll see by 10:30 late morning getting very hot. In fact, we're going to start to see 90s and potentially even triple digits. Wind speeds calm this evening and conditions clear on satellite radar. High pressure continuing to hold strong for now, but it's going to start to break down by the end of the week, and as it does, we will start to see a bit of a cool down. Until then, fire conditions on our hands over the next couple of days. As we check out my 7-day forecast for the beaches, the basin, and the valleys right here, you will see 70s, 80s, 90s, and yes, triple digits still for the valley. So tomorrow, our hottest day of the next 7. Still hot Wednesday, but we are heading into a very noticeable cooling trend. By Thursday, we're going from the triple digits to the 80s and the 70s, even the 90s. That feels like welcome relief from the heat for a lot of us. By the weekend, continuing to stay slightly cooler. Back to you guys.